Hey folks, I'm back again with another quick unboxing. These are the Focus A5 Adaptive Hybrid ANC headphones. It looks on the box they're saying that it's either looks like 75 hours ultra long battery life. I'm not sure how I put that to the test, except I just keep listening because we certainly can't listen for that long. It's compliments of OneOdio, OneOdio. That's the name of the company. It's high-res audio, um, wireless, and LDAC. So let's get right into it. I don't know if I need my knife here. What's on the back? Nothing much. I do need my trusty knife because it does have tape. And as you can see, I'm opening this for the first time in front of you. I'll make sure. There we go. Slice that. Well, I guess I didn't need to slice that. But we like to slice anything we can because it's just fun. And there we go. Put away the knife. Don't want to get cut. Last thing I need. Open it up. And flip it over so we can pull them out. I'm going to throw the box aside. Feel under here there's paperwork. Yes, there is. So what do we have? We have the warning, cautions. This is, it's in so many different languages. It's regulatory information. That's all that is. It's in every single language known to man. And then there's this leaflet that is the user manual, user leaflet. Put that aside as well. We don't need that, right? Who needs instructions? Open it up. I thought that was a box. It wasn't. It simply opens up and it reveals the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. All right, put that aside. These things are very minimalistic these days, aren't they? Take that out. There's nothing top and bottom. Throw that aside and pull this out of its nice plastic sleeve. I don't want to rip it, even though I could, and that'd probably bring more satisfaction, but let's slide it out. Let's be nice today. Never going back in this sleeve, but, you know, what the heck? You know, you got to get some sort of fun. So we pull it out. Let's put it this way first. Do these turn? Yes, they do. So let's lay it flat so you can see. It's got the creamish. It's not really white. It's creamish. It might look white with the lights on the camera, but it's creamish. It has its emblem on here. Little design here. The mic's here. You can see that you've got expansion on both sides. You've got a very, what I'm going to say is minimal headband cushion. See how quick it sinks in, right? It's not a lot there, but that doesn't mean anything. We'll have to see what it's like with the clamping power and all of that. These turn flat. So let's flip it over. As you can see, it's got the left and right indications inside. You've got cushion. This cushion here has more than the headband cushion. This is more cushiony, so to speak. And all the controls are like many of the headsets. I don't know if you can see that again, this cream on cream on cream that looks like white on white on white, but here are the controls. It's got the USB-C, charging ports, it's got the noise canceling, adaptive noise canceling, automatic noise canceling. This button that turns on noise canceling on and off. I forgot what they call it. It's got the power button, and I need to put my glasses on because there's writing on that little button I'm showing you that you probably can't see, that even I can't see. With my glasses on, it says, oh, it's just a button. It looked like writing. It's not. That's what happens when you're getting old. So this is the power button. This is the positive, negative. So this means this is volume up, down, and forward and reverse on tracks. So the whole idea of this is simply what I do with most of these headphones. I don't remember the cost because I have a series going on with headphones under $100. This might or might not fall in that category. I don't recall, but you'll see it in the review. But the whole idea here is to listen to them, compare them to the, I don't know, maybe 20 or so different headsets that I've listened to in different categories. I'm hoping one day to review more expensive, more headsets in the $500 range. I've done a few of those, but generally speaking, I've been looking at these 100 and around 100, sub 100, just over 100 headsets because many of them have been providing remarkable audio for the cost, a great value. So once again, these are the OneOdio Focus A5 headphones. I'm gonna take a listen, play around with them for a while. When I'm done, the review will be posted and you can read it using the link in the description of this video.